This is a square. The one side of the square is known as A, and another side of the square is also known as A. So we are going to write it like this. Like this. But if you want to find the area of the square, we're going to do this. A into A is equal to A squared. So this is the area of this whole square. It's going to be A. Now, this is another square, but this is smaller than the A square, and the size of this square is B. So to find the area, we are going to multiply B into B is equal to B square. Now we know their names. This is A square and this is B square. Now we're going to place them like this, and I'm going to replace one side of the A square, and I'm going to replace it with an AB, with this rectangle.
Okay.
Now,
so before you place this rectangle, what is the area of this figure?
The area of the figure before I replace it is A square plus B square.
Okay, write down A square plus B square.
A square plus B square.
Okay, now you can replace this by this rectangle.
Yes. Since this is going to be, I'm replacing this with a rectangle, and we form a new shape. But we do not know the side of the new shape, or the portion which is left. So we're going to be doing this. Since the breadth of this rectangle is exactly as B and the length is exactly as A, I'm going to write this. A minus B equals to 2AB, I think.
Okay. No. First, just write down A minus B. Yes.
This side is A minus B.
Yes. It's new side, right? There's one new side is there.
And now I'm going to replace this side also with another rectangle. So this one is the side of this new shape, which is a square, is going to be.
Okay. So honey, so first you have this figure A square plus B square, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you replace this figure by two rectangles. So you need to do minus 2AB.
Yes. So minus.
Now write it down. Yes, A square plus B square.
B square minus 2AB.
Yes. Now this is one area of this new shape. Okay. Now you need to prove it whether this one is area of this new shape or not. To verify that, you need to find out another area of this new shape.
Mm-hmm. And now to find the area of the new shape, first I'm going to know what this side was before I replaced it. So this replaced it with a rectangle. So the length of the whole shape was A.
Okay.
And since I replaced this with a B, like the breadth is B, so I'm going to do B again, which is going to be A minus B. So the side of the
so there is a side of new shape. Okay.
The side of the new shape is A minus B, because since A minus B is also here and also here, it's going to be a square because both of them are same. So now we're going to write it as A minus B square is equal to A square plus B square equal, minus 2AB.
Yes.